Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated arrival of the Sony A7V, Sony's latest full-frame hybrid camera that's poised to shake up the photography and videography landscape in 2025. After months of intense speculation, leaks, and delays, Sony appears ready to reveal what could be a genuine game-changer in the mirrorless camera market. This new model promises to combine groundbreaking technology with refined features, building on the solid foundation set by the Alpha series that many pros and enthusiasts rely on. The long-awaited Sony A7V launch, the wait for the A7V has been long and somewhat challenging, mainly due to supply chain issues and Sony's deliberate strategy to perfect the camera before release. Sony's plan to launch sometime around mid-2025 signals the company's commitment to delivering a fully optimized product rather than rushing to market. The question now is, can this new Sony full-frame powerhouse truly differentiate itself in a market where rivals like Canon and Nikon are aggressively upgrading their lineups? Looking back at the legacy of the Sony A7V to understand where the A7V fits, let's take a quick look at its predecessor, the Sony A7IV. When it first launched at around $2,500, the A7IV made a splash with its impressive 33-megapixel full-frame, Exmor R CMOS sensor, superb autofocus capabilities, and robust video features that appealed to hybrid shooters, those who equally focus on still photography and video content creation. Recently, we've seen the A7IV's price drop to approximately $1,180 on major retail platforms, which strongly suggests Sony is gearing up to replace it with the newer A7V model. Pricing and competitive landscape: expect the Sony A7V to debut in the $2,899 to $2,999 price range. This positions the camera right in the crosshairs of premium mid-tier full-frame competition, matching up against Canon's EOS R6 Mark II and Nikon's Z6 III. Sony's pricing strategy remains focused on delivering top-notch, innovative features, without completely pricing out serious content creators and professionals. The camera aims to strike a balance between affordability and advanced performance, which is crucial for hybrid creators who demand versatility. Sensor innovations. The heart of the A7V, one of the most buzzed-about aspects of the Sony A7V is its sensor. While rumors speculate that Sony might retain the proven 33-megapixel sensor from the A7IV, the more exciting possibility is a leap forward to a 42-megapixel backside illuminated stacked sensor, potentially the IMX366. This sensor upgrade would mean several big advantages: higher resolution stills, superior oversampled 4K video quality, drastically reduced rolling shutter effects, and improved low-light performance. For hybrid shooters, this translates into sharper images, cleaner footage, and more flexibility in challenging lighting environments. Elevated video performance for creators. Sony has consistently prioritized video capabilities in its Alpha lineup, and the A7V looks ready to continue this trend with impressive specs. We're expecting 4K video at 120 frames per second with no crop, 10-bit internal recording, and possibly even 8K video at 30 FPS. However, thermal management will likely limit the practicality of 8K for extended use. Sony's focus on oversampled 4K video and efficient heat dissipation means creators can enjoy longer recording times without worrying about overheating, a thoughtful feature for vloggers, filmmakers, and hybrid content producers aiming for consistent high-quality footage, ergonomics, and physical design enhancements. The Sony A7V reportedly adopts ergonomic improvements from Sony's A9 III series, featuring a deeper grip for enhanced comfort during prolonged shooting sessions, especially with heavier professional lenses. The camera is rumored to sport a high-resolution electronic viewfinder with 5.76 million dots, alongside a versatile 4-axis articulating touchscreen similar to the one found on the flagship A7RV. This design offers users creative freedom for shooting from unconventional angles while maintaining a lightweight, compact body with robust weather sealing to endure various shooting conditions. Why the delay? Understanding the timeline, Sony's decision to postpone the A7V's release appears to be driven by the need to refine AI-powered autofocus systems, optimize heat dissipation technologies, and respond tactically to competitor releases like Canon's EOS R6 Mark III. Supply chain disruptions, particularly around the advanced A12 chip required for processing, also played a part in delaying the launch. Current projections place the official announcement and release window around May or June 2025. Should you upgrade from the A7V? The Sony A7V is shaping up to be a compelling upgrade, blending Sony's renowned reliability with forward thinking. Innovation. With an anticipated retail price near $3,000, it offers a premium yet practical solution for content creators demanding advanced sensor performance, intelligent autofocus powered by AI, and superior video features. If you already own an A7IV, the decision to upgrade will largely depend on how much you value these improvements, especially if you require 4K 120fps video and the potential benefits of a higher resolution sensor. Canon enters the ring. EOS R6 Mark III. Just as Sony heats up the hybrid camera race, Canon is gearing up to launch the EOS R6 Mark III, a formidable competitor. Leaks suggest Canon's new model will feature a 24-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor with faster readout speeds than its predecessor, possibly outpacing even the EOS R5 Mark II. Powered by dual Digi-C-X processors and an additional digit accelerator, the EOS R6 Mark III promises lightning-fast responsiveness and enhanced video processing capabilities. Canon's hybrid powerhouse is expected to support internal 6K RAW video at 60 fps and 4K video at 120 fps. With Canon Log 2 and Log 3 profiles that cater to professional workflows requiring broad dynamic range and extensive post-production flexibility. The updated body includes ergonomic tweaks such as a flip-out screen tailored for vloggers and solo shooters. With the previous EOS R6 Mark II price recently dropping to around $199, Canon is likely aiming for a competitive launch price between $1,499 and $1,799 for the new Mark III model. The battle for hybrid dominance in 2025 between the Sony A7V and the Canon EOS R6 Mark III 2025 promises to be an electrifying year for hybrid camera enthusiasts. Both models push the boundaries of full-frame mirrorless technology and video capability, targeting creators who demand both exceptional stills and professional-grade video. Whether you lean toward Sony's new AI autofocus and higher resolution, sensor, or Canon's impressive video specs and processing power, both cameras offer serious options for content creators looking to upgrade.